over here.
Brocky, what do you think of that train?
It's a lady. A lady is
Hey, Brock.
a lady conductor.
Brock, I'm doing video. Tell me what you think of that train. Is that a cool train?
It's on track.
Yeah. You like Curt's train?
Oh, the friend just running. The friend the train is running. Train's got berries in it.
That's an awesome train, isn't it? Is that awesome?
It's got a hook on it. It can make a train go.
Brock, show me what makes noise on that train. Where's the whistle? Where's the bell?
All the things on the train.
Track that's about
Do
that
do
long.
do do do
I
do.
had to track them down to find them. I put it away last year. I put two.
You want to see the smoke?
Looked like one piece of straight track. And we were looking.
You want to see the train smoke?
I couldn't figure out where they were. Jane looked. I looked.
I don't want to make it go.
Finally,
It
I
stays. It
happened to
stops.
notice that the ties didn't look right on that. So I took a close look at it. Oh, that's it.
It's got wheels on it.
But without it, you can't have this
It's got
layout.
whistle on it, and a bell, and a smokestack, and light.
A smokestack and a light?
That's the station. They make a train stop.
Mr. Curt built the train station. Do you remember that?
That's a puppy.
This is the puppy.
Oh.
This is Claire.
This is the train.
Mm-hmm.
I got a bunch of barrels here for the train to stop and pick up. Hey, what are these?
Grapes.
They look like grapes?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's
Yeah.
great to
Uh-huh.
fold the train up. And
Yeah.
gas.
Fill it up and pick them up, huh?
The train's got gas.
It needs gas?
It's got gas.
Oh, it's got gas, huh? Oh, what's over here? Look at all these pallets. You could stack them up big.
Playing the train.
Yeah, maybe the train's gonna come around and pick them up.
You just
It's
gotta force
train by train on the train. The train got run out of gas. The train. Train's real deal.
Why don't you?
All people see the train over there on the pod.
Did you know the train can go in 2 circles?
Let's see the train go. Let's see how it works.
No, stop.
Well, let's see it go in the circles. Make sure it works.
Stop.
Can you do it?
Yes.